This video will help us not to get confused for caring for pups and mother succulents. Here's the top 5 care difference. Number 1. Water requirements. Pups need maintained moisture during propagation stage, while mother succulents need much lesser water. They want dry soil most of the time. When watering, they need full watering with intervals. Number 2. Soil or media requirements. Pups need soil or other media like cocoa peat and similar that holds moisture longer. If you use other media, it's still okay as long as you maintain the moisture needed during propagation stage. While mother succulents need loose soil, something that drains water really fast and does not hold a lot of moisture. Number 3. Light requirements. Pups don't need direct sunlight as they will get dehydrated. So bright indoor is best. While mother succulents need a lot of direct sunlight to thrive or to enhance colors. Number 4. Pot requirements. Pups does not require any specific pots or pot size, but big pots are ideal as it retains lots of moisture. The bigger the pot is, the more moisture it retains. You can use small pots though, as long as you keep it moist. While mother succulents need tight pots with big drainage holes. With similar reason as earlier, the smaller the pot, the lesser moisture it retains, which mother succulents need. Number 5. Care requirements. Pups need a lot of care, especially during propagation stage, as they need to maintain moisture and away from direct sunlight, while mother succulents want to be left alone and be cared for sometimes. Here's a summary of the difference in care between pups and mother succulents that most beginners did not know about. Pups need moisture most of the time, while mother succulents want it dry. Pups need soil that retains moisture, while mother succulents need a fast-draining soil. Pups don't need direct sunlight because it will fry them, while mother succulents loves direct sunlight. Pups don't need any specific pots as long as it keeps moisture, while mother succulents need tight pots that dries fast. Pups need a lot of care, while mother plants don't need much. What care difference do you think most people don't know about? Please leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!